Here we go, back at Lysterfield, taking in some of Melbourne's finest laneway coffee. But excitingly, there's wind. This is the northerly that I've been hoping this place will get one day. We've got a cold front coming up from over here, straight off the Southern Ocean, about lunchtime. It's about 8:30 in the morning now. This is the northerly going straight down the front of it. So I'm hoping we get, good sail. Got the small rig and the big rig in the car. I think it's still big rig, just to sort of deal with some of the lulls that I'll get out there. But I'll have a quick look at the pier in 5 minutes and see how it looks. So look at that, beautiful breeze, straight down the valley, probably some big gusts up the front there. Decent looking clouds around already. Can't wait to get out there. I'll just quickly rig up and get back into it. So cold. Oh. we go. 20. .15 knots, rock wall, very high. More breeze coming. Knots, 21. It's a very big wall coming at me. Whoa. Keep the pace on. Okay. Okay, that's alright, at least it's not a boat. That can be fixed. Okay. We can get out up there. So I'm back in. It was a really good sail until it wasn't. As you would have seen in the video, I was so lucky to make it out of that jibe. I was going over towards the other side of the lake, saw about 21, 22 knots of boat speed on the way into that jibe, just got through and then was able to sort of keep going. I can't remember if I touched down or not, but oh well. And then started to come upwind back towards the sort of beach here where I launch. And then I've gone for a bit of vang and sort of not a lot's happened. I looked up at the leach and it was still pretty open, and I did think that was odd at the time. And then I've gone for another armful of vang, which was a lot of vang, and then there's this kind of crunch and the whole boat just felt sort of soft. And it was that moment where you hear that crunch that I've sort of experienced before when things break, and then you get a split second and then suddenly the boat's on top of you. I was just so lucky I was on port tack coming back across the lake. I literally decided to just stay in the water where I was because I was sort of sailing along with the rig vertical, and then ended up way down the beach and did the full walk of shame back. I'll just take you over so you can see what happened to the boat, but I'm just so sort of glad I didn't go to the bay today because I was thinking about going to Port Melbourne in a northerly, but who knows where I would have ended up if this happened down there. So this is kind of what's left. As you can see, it's broken away from the laminate down on this side, and then it's a little bit tricky to see, but this side's sort of a complete crushing failure as well. But yeah, not too flash. So this will turn into a complete sort of rebuild again, and I'll take the opportunity to finish off the wings properly because they were a bit of a rush job for Easter. I want to, while I'm at it, as you can see, I've got my like dodgy tape here, which is covering like a sticky back bulkhead like a model yacht. And the problem is sticky back's good, except to drain the water out of the boat, it's really hard to get it all to come out of this pipe. So what I do is I peel the sticky back off, but then the water goes over the sticky back and it's hard to get it to seal up properly. So I end up with a bit of water in this tank. So what I want to do is, while I've got this mast stump out, I'm going to get rid of this tube. I might need to keep it actually as a breather, but I want to find a way to fit a standard bung in here somehow. It's going to be hard with the space I've got, whether I just seal this up and put a bung out there, which would be pretty ugly, but I'll figure it out. I might also lengthen the rudder, but I'll just see how much time I've got and how bad this actually is when I get it all apart. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the footage. And yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll probably be back in who knows how many weeks. This might take a while to fix.